Hi friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, numerical adjectives. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you the definition for the term numerical adjectives. Numerical adjectives are those that express number or numerical adjectives is simply the grammatical term for numbers. They include 1, 2, 3, first, second, and many others. In general, a numerical expression is a combination of numbers and one or more operation symbols. What is adjectives? Adjectives is one of the parts of speech. It qualifies or it modifies the noun. Likewise, numerical adjectives is based on numerical numbers which indicates the subject. Here I have given you few examples for numerical adjectives. The bridge is 2 km long. A lecture for 2 hours. In these two examples, the 2 km long and 2 hours is the numerical adjectives. It also modifies the or indicates the noun, that is the bridge and a lecture. Okay. How we have to convert it into a numerical term? First, indicate the numerical term, that is 2 km. Even it is in plural form, we have to convert it into singular form. So 2 km, then we have to add article a, then the noun, a 2 km bridge. And for the second example, 2 hours, a lecture for 2 hours. So first we have to take the numerical term, that is 2 hour. The plural form has converted into singular form, and we have to add article a and the noun, a 2-hour lecture. Actually, and here we have used the numbers in the numerical form. So we have to give the answer in the same way. And in this method we have used numbers in the word form. So we have to make the answer in the word form itself. A walk of 5 miles. A drive for 4 hours. So first we have to take the numerical terms and we have to convert it into the singular form, and we have to add suitable article a, then we have to add the noun, a 5-mile walk, a 4-hour drive. And here I have given you few exercises. A pipe of 3 feet length, a lamp power of 30 watts, an incline of 60 degrees, a journey of 2500 kilometers, an investment of 5 lakhs, a squad of 300 men, a road measuring 100 feet. Try to make your own answers with the simple rules. First, take down the numerical terms and make it into and write it in a singular form, add article a to it, and finally add the noun. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.